Good day. Welcome to visit Shenzhen Wentong Electronic Company Limited, which is located in Shenzhen City, China. We are a professional AC/DC switching power adapter manufacturer since 2005. Our products are wall mount and desktop type power adapters. Model range is from 5 watt to 120 watt, with certifications include UL, GS, and CCC. Products meet certifications and export to different countries. They are welcome by our customers and widely used in different electronic products. DOE Level 6 are available. OEM and ODM are acceptable. If you have need in high quality and good price AC/DC power adapter, please contact us without hesitate. Why choose us? Our factory have many automation equipments: auto insert machine, wave soldering machine, automatic control aging room, semi-automatic production line, and more manufacturing and testing machines to ensure short delivery time. Every steps of product manufacturing are under inspected to ensure excellent quality. These machines help us save cost of manpower to allow us to offer good price to you. We also have professional engineer team and overseas sales team, whom always ready to provide you with full pre-sale and after-sale service. Quick response. Patiently answers for any questions you may have. Meet your requirements is our purpose. Your satisfaction is our goal. Welcome to send us email or chat us for more information. Look forward to your contact. Work with us. Win together. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.